IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you talk to your neighbors? Band 5. Answer.
I don't talk to my neighbors very often. I say hello sometimes, but I don't have long conversations with them because I'm usually busy.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas, some hesitation implied. Lexical resource. Very simple vocabulary. Talk, hello, busy. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, limited range. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but not much control of stress or rhythm. Typical of Band 5. Communicative but basic, with limited detail. Band 7.5 Answer.
I talk to my neighbors every few days, usually when we bump into each other outside. We're not close friends, but we get along well enough to chat about everyday things like the weather or local news.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, connected ideas. Natural progression. Lexical resource. Good range. Bump into everyday things, local news. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex structures. Pronunciation. Clear with good control of stress, intonation, and pacing. Typical of Band 7.5. Detailed, flexible language with good accuracy. Band 9 Answer.
I speak to my neighbors fairly regularly, usually a couple of times a week. We've developed a friendly, almost community-like atmosphere on our street, so it's normal to stop for a quick chat or help each other with small things like carrying groceries.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, natural flow with well-extended ideas. Lexical resource. Precise and sophisticated vocabulary. Community-like atmosphere, fairly regularly. Grammar. Wide range with full accuracy. Pronunciation. Completely natural, easy to follow, and nuanced. Typical of Band 9. Fully developed, refined, and native-like delivery. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.